stop right here. We got to have Mrs. Cox. She's going to tell us what to say.
Where did it go?
I saw him running that way. He went this way.
He
jumped it this way. He went that way. He went
Where?
that way.
Where?
Look, there's footprints. Look at the footprints. He went that way.
Oh my gosh, we
He
gotta
went
find
that
the
way.
footprints.
He went that way. Get on the footprints. Oh.
What's going on here? The gingerbread man. Are you little foxes? You're trying. Well, I caught the gingerbread man. Guess what? I was in my office and I was typing an email and I could hear somebody running in the hallway. I gasped and I looked over and I saw the gingerbread man and he was running. You know what he was saying? Let's see. Run.
What does he say? Run as fast as you can.
That's what the teacher did. He said, you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And I said, oh yes I can, because I'm the principal man. And there I stopped him. You can look on the ground, right there. And then what I did was to stop him running, I bit off his legs so he couldn't run.
Hey, we ate the gingerbread man.
He did.
Our gingerbread man don't run away. Our gingerbread man run away.
This way, guys.
We found our gingerbread man.
David,